Hello, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find the distance between 2 points in Desmos. Let's start by creating 2 points on the graph, point A and point B. As you may know, the formula for the distance between 2 points is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's apply it. As you can see, the distance between A and B is 5. Now let's try a more dynamic approach. We'll redefine the 2 points using variables instead of fixed numbers. We'll do the same for point B. Then we apply the same distance formula using these variables. As you can see, the distance is currently 0. Now, let's move point B using the sliders. Watch how the distance updates dynamically in real time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.